we purchased our home at 700 Harrison Avenue in 2008, and there were a bunch of units available in the building because it had just been constructed. This unit stood out to us because it was on the corner and it got brilliant light from all around. The other thing that immediately struck us was just the open, spacious feel it had. And the floor-to-ceiling windows really enhanced that spacious feel. And the other thing that's really nice about these floor-to-ceiling windows is that they look out on really nice green space and community gardens. We also really liked the openness and the layout of the kitchen. Very recently, we redid the cabinets in a very contemporary white shaker style. And we also put in new quartz counters and backsplash. One thing we've always appreciated is the separation between the living areas and the bedrooms. The master bedroom is really quite spacious, and we've really enjoyed the light. It's also great to have a nice quiet green space right outside your window. There's a very spacious walk-in closet in the master bedroom, which sadly we don't have pictured here. We've also enjoyed having a very large, luxurious master bath, which, by the way, has a ton of storage as well. Our second bedroom is an actual, legit bedroom. We use it as a combination office and guest room with a pull-out sofa. And the guest bath is really quite spacious as well. And I can tell you that we love our deeded direct access garage parking space, as well as our storage unit. 700 Harrison was built from the ground up in 2007. This building is professionally managed and it's very well run. It's cleaned 5 days a week, has very high owner occupancy, and also has very high reserves. We love the neighborhood. We're right near tons of restaurants, artist galleries and studios, farmers markets, food trucks, and the largest Whole Foods in the city.